It's a more common candy across America. A lot of people do make their own version of it, but toffee is still a complicated process. It's a lot of butter, a lot of cream and sugar. The main thing is it actually gets cooked to a really hot temperature. We cook it almost up to 400 degrees. It's the hottest candy that we cook here at Savannah's Candy Kitchen. So that product is the reason it's so brittle. And what makes ours even special though, because a lot of things that people get toffee is they have toffee and it is just a good piece of toffee, but it's covered in fake chocolate. So what we do is we use real chocolate at Savannah's Candy Kitchen. So then after our toffee gets made in our process, it's covered in 100% real chocolate. In all these old candy books, you don't see a lot of temperatures as much as you see times and duration, because people were so used to turning things on full heat and you'd let the process go to another step. Different candies are different steps. They might have a little bit more ingredients of this, that, and the other to make it more flavorful, but really each candy can almost go from one stage to another. A praline to a caramel to a toffee. Definitely all the same structural stuff. Sugar, butter, cream, all the good stuff that you got in your fridge at home.